that time of year again, time to break out the summer shorts, and for some of us, that might bring on some anxiety.
But we're here to help you feel confident in your shorts. We've got 6 simple tips to get you ready to put on those shorts and show off those limbs.
So let's start with the basics. Exfoliation really is key. In order for your shorts to look good, your skin has to look good. And I've tried lots of different scrubs and have gone and done spa treatments, but the very best technique that I've found is using a product called an Italy towel. Now this is something that they use in Korea. They exfoliate about once a week with this. And you can actually buy this online, and I would say you would get, I got these 8 towels for $6, so
can't beat that.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty cheap, and you throw them away, honestly, once the towel starts fraying at the end. So I'm gonna show you a little tutorial on how to use these things. So the first step is you wanna soak your skin in the tub for about 10 minutes. Then you wanna use a soap similar to Ivory that's really going to strip any sort of essential oils from your skin, because this will help with the exfoliation process. So in Korea, exfoliating is a key part of keeping the skin smooth and being able to remove dead skin cells as well as product buildup. Next, you'll take a small face towel and roll it up and put it inside of the Italy towel. Just get the towel wet and squeeze out any excess water. Now, using a technique that's similar to dusting off lint or dog hair on your clothing, you slowly start to remove the dead skin and product buildup from your skin. And that's the end of the first step for preparing your skin for summer shorts. Now it's time to shave, but forget the soap and the shaving cream. We recommend using something like baby oil, and a great alternative is a body oil mist, since it's really easy to spray on when you're inside of the shower. Shaving with baby oil will help to keep a barrier on your skin and lock in the moisture and help to prevent razor burn.
Step number 3 is when you know you're going to be wearing shorts or a dress for a big event and you have an extra day to prepare for it. So for those of us who are very pale skinned, you know that self-tanning is really helpful. And it's not so much about, getting a summer glow as much as it is really helping to hide any imperfections such as spider veins, varicose veins, cellulite, age spots on the skin. This is really going to help you camouflage any of that and really make your legs look their best. So there are lots of different choices for self-tanner. There are mousse versions, lotions, sprays, drugstore, and ones that you can get at higher end stores like Sephora. They're all really good. It's really just personal preference. But the most important part is this mitt. This mitt really makes self-tanning so much easier. So any self-tanning mitt that you use, you can spray the lotion on or rub it onto your leg, but if you use the mitt, it's really gonna help to avoid staining your hands and just making a mess of everything. So self-tanner is really helpful if you have, a little extra time and you wanna prepare your legs for wearing shorts. Another great option for self-tanning is this Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. This one is great for those of you who are worried about splotchiness or patchiness with the self-tanner. This is basically foolproof. Self-tanning for dummies. This is something that you can use right after you get out of a bath or shower, before you even dry yourself off. You smooth it all over your wet skin and then pat yourself dry, and it will give you a gradual glow. And the great thing about this product is you can use it every single day, and when you get the desired tan that you're looking for, then you just go and switch to every other day, so you can really keep that nice glowy skin all summer long. So now it's about time to start getting dressed. So this trick is my favorite trick of all. And what it is preparing your skin with some moisturizer, but not just any moisturizer. This little trick is really going to help to camouflage any imperfections on your legs. What I like to do is I like to mix Jergens BB Body Perfecting Skin Cream, or any skin cream that basically has like a blurring agent or something that's gonna help with imperfections. This is almost like putting on a radiance primer or blurring primer on your face, but this is for your skin. I like to mix about a dime-sized amount of this with a little bit of this Body Blur lotion, or any bronzing lotion. So a little bit of bronzing lotion, a little bit of radiance or blurring lotion, mix them together and use them to moisturize your legs. And what this is going to do is it's going to create not only a slimming effect because of the tan, but also a bit of a blurring effect on any spider veins or cellulite, and really just make your legs look moisturized, shiny, glowy, and just more flattering to wear with shorts. So this is a great trick that I really like to use. If you have darker imperfections, darker spider veins, or varicose veins on your legs, you may want to look for something that's a bit thicker. They do carry, body makeup type of products that are similar to a moisturizer but with a little thicker consistency, and that's really going to help you if you're really self-conscious of any veins on your legs. So that is my favorite tip of all.
Okay, so the prep work is done. Now it's time to pick our shorts. This really makes all the difference. Forget the rules that they say women over a certain age should wear long Bermuda shorts. The length of your shorts has more to do with your body type than your age. So try on a pair of shorts and adjust the length to assess what looks best on your leg. If you are more petite with thinner legs, then you'll probably look best with a little bit shorter length. Those who are taller with longer legs may look better in a slightly longer length short. The best way to tell what looks best is to experiment by trying on different lengths. And don't be afraid to have shorts hemmed if you love the short but not the length. You can do this yourself or take it to a local dry cleaners or seamstress and have it done for around $10. Well worth the investment if it's a pair of shorts you feel confident in and will get lots of use out of.
And the last tip, find styles of shorts that fit slightly loose around the leg to slim the thigh. Most of us are not looking to increase the width of our thighs, but rather to slim them. So if you want to create a slimmer thigh, choose a short that has a looser fit around the leg. A tight-fitting short will only squeeze the thigh, creating dimples and making the legs appear thicker. So we hope these tips will help you to feel confident in your summer shorts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below. Not only does it help us to know what kinds of videos you'd like to see, it also helps the YouTube community know that you want to see more fashion for women over 40.
And if you're looking for some summer outfit inspirations, check out our How to Wear Scarves video or How to Wear Outfits with Flats video. And we'll see you guys next week.
Bye!